It's fascinating how we have a closet full of clothes, but only gravitate towards a few items. It's like a mental go-to uniform we have unconsciously created for ourselves. This week, I am declustering again. My style has changed a lot in the past year, and I want to get rid of any item I am no longer wearing. Also, I want to share with you how declustering my closet has benefited me so far. My first declustering was in 2018 when I was packing to move back to Nigeria. I had to let go of many items as I had accumulated too much over the course of 7 years. However, soon after settling in, I started to accumulate things again due to my hoarding habits. In 2021, I declustered again before downsizing and moving across the states to join my husband. This time, I have tried to refrain from accumulating things that are not needed or valued. I have declustered multiple times since then, and now I am doing it again. Whenever I feel overwhelmed, despite my normal cleaning and organization routine, I know there is either a lot on my mind or around me that needs to go. Declustering might seem like a daunting task, but it is incredibly freeing. You don't have to do it all at once or go to the extreme. For me, it is a stress reducer and a way to minimize the burden of decision making that comes with having too much stuff. The first thing I do is to take everything out of the closet. This helps me see everything I have and decide what I need. I make 6 piles. For the retain pile, I keep only what I love and wear often. If I haven't worn something in a while and it's in good condition, it goes in the reuse pile, which is donated, or into the repurpose pile for me to recreate it into something else if it is a sentimental piece. The remain for now pile is for things I am not sure I want to let go of yet, so it's still a maybe. The repack pile are the clothes that I wear but are seasonal. For example, I will not hang up cardigans when it is dry or summer season. I will box them and bring them out in the wet season. However, if the clothing is not in good condition, it goes into the release pile for trashing. I try on the remain for now items to see if I like the way they look on me. If they don't make me feel great, or they don't fit my current size, or are not comfortable, they go. Putting back only a few clothes feels amazing. I can see everything I have in the categories and hanger color I have arranged them, and it makes getting dressed easier and less stressful. I am currently embracing a season of life where having fewer possessions means experiencing less stress. I am working towards building a wardrobe that truly reflects what I value: personal expression and creativity. Anytime I want to start hoarding again, I remember this Bible verse in Matthew 6:19-21, and it becomes easier to let go of whatever the item is. It says, "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moth and vermin destroy, and where the thieves break in and steal, but store up for yourselves treasure in heaven, for where your treasure is, your heart will be also." Simplifying my closet has helped me focus on what truly matters. As Marie Kondo says, the question of what you want to own is the question of how you want to live your life. By letting go of excess, I am embracing a life of peace and intentionality. The next time you go through your closet, you might find things you haven't worn in a long time or that you are falling out of love with. You can sell, repurpose, or donate them. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sending love and warm hugs your way.